Reposition your career with CompTIA Project+ certificate. Are you a fresh graduate who wants to hit the ground running with a certified professional skill? Are you an aspiring professional who is determined to improve his or her professional skills and take your career to the next level? Have you been looking for an opportunity to train for a professional certification but there is no time because of your secular work? Or are you just looking to stand out by improving your efficiency and productivity in the workplace? Or you are looking to shine in your next annual performance review? If your answer is yes to one or all of these 5 questions, Project Manager Skills Inc. will like to show you 5 easy steps you can take to achieve your dream goals. 1. Go to projectmanagerskills.com. Project Manager Skills website blogs have done all the research relating to CompTIA Project+ certification. All the information you need to understand the benefits, features, how to prepare and pass Project+ certification the first time. There are links to PDF downloads and informative videos to guide you in the best way possible. 2. Register for free to learn more about CompTIA Project+ certification. When you are done with all the research, take the next bold step, register for the class. Select the month that you can plan 4 weekends to attend class. This training will run from December 2019 to December 2020. You will be amazed at the outcome. A great experience awaits you. 3. Receive your study package. Immediately after your registration, you will receive your registration package that contains the class schedule and the study guide. You can begin to study that in earnest, while you wait for your textbook and practice questions to arrive in the mail. 4. Attend classes online for 4 weekends, 2 hours each time. Since you are ready, set reminder on your phone or mobile device for the next 4 weekend dates in the month you have selected to join the class. Take the classes online, in the comfort of your own home. Prepare, study and pass your certification with relative ease. 5. Prepare and pass CompTIA Project+Your certification. During these weekend classes, the exam objectives will be covered end to end. There will be revision and application of project management knowledge acquired. You will be guided in how to study, prepare and pass Project+ certification. Most of the students pass their exam within 2 to 4 weeks after attending the training class. All the secret of this preparation will be shared with you in class. What are you waiting for? The time to start is now. Begin with Step 1, learn more about CompTIA Project+ certification on www.projectmanagerskills.com and register for the training. Register today and achieve your career goal this year.